Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. For some of you, settling into a regular practice of meditation can be difficult. Maybe you've tried already and ended up saying to yourself, I can't meditate, I've no time to do it, or I can't sit for long, I get restless, or my mind's too busy, and then you just give up. Well, let's try this. So instead of calling it meditation, just say, I'm going to sit for 15 or 20 minutes, not more, and just see if I can reach for a place of feeling comfortable where I am in the moment. What about giving it a try with me now? I will guide you for a while and then leave you in your own awareness for the last few minutes until the music ends. So let's take a moment to make yourself comfortable in either a lying or sitting position in a quiet place where you'll not be disturbed until the music ends. So taking a moment to make yourself comfortable in either a lying or sitting position in a quiet place where you'll not be disturbed, and close your eyes. And now, taking a nice, full, deep in-breath, filling the chest and the lungs, and breathing out, feeling the sensations of releasing the breath, relaxing outward, letting go. And again, breathing in, filling the chest and the lungs, and slowly breathing out, releasing, letting go, letting go. One more time, inhaling deeply, filling the chest and the lungs, and slowly releasing the breath again, relaxing, letting go. And now, allowing the breath once again to resume its natural rhythm. We are now ready to meditate. So I'm inviting you now to come into stillness and become aware of the feeling of simplicity of your body breathing. Just bring your attention really close to the breath, sensing the sensations of the in-breath and the out-breath. Take this attention as close as you can. See if you can become one with the breath, aware of the natural flow as you breathe. Inhaling and exhaling, relaxing any tension in the body. as you do this, notice the breath coming in through your nostrils as cool air filling your lungs. And then notice the breath as warm air as it exits through the nostrils. Becoming aware of the calmness of your breath, the evenness of your breath, the inhale and the exhale. As you feel your body release tension and stress, let go of all the energy that no longer serves you. And now invite you to begin to gently scan down your body, softening the eyes, relaxing the face, letting the shoulders fall away from the neck, and letting the hands rest in an easy and effortless way, allowing the chest to be open, the heart relaxed, and softening the belly. Feeling the breath relaxing deep into the body, right through the legs and down to the sensations inside the feet. And now let's become aware of any rising or passing of sound. Just listening to and feel the whole moment to moment experience, following the breath as you inhale and exhale. And see if there is any place inside right now where there is a sense of ease and calm, and have the sense that everything's okay in this moment. It may not be perfect. It may not be totally as you like, but it's okay. and nothing needs to be different. Just being attentive to your body's sensations as you meditate here. And if your attention wanders, without judgment, noticing that, just allowing the thoughts to be there without holding on to them. Just let them float on by like clouds in the sky. You are present to everything that is coming and going, the sounds, your breath, sensations, feelings, thoughts. Just being here, watching, observing. This place of awareness is your refuge. Here you are, in this moment, completely present. And rest here in this feeling of peace and stillness. Being grateful for all. Appreciating this quiet space where you can be truly you in gentle meditation, where you can experience the true love of your inner being. When you are ready, just bring your attention back to the room. Just move your hands and fingers and just wriggle your toes. And when you are ready, open your eyes. This meditation was 15 minutes. And thank you for taking the time to share this with me. And I look forward to sharing more moments like this with you. Namaste.